Pol Espargaró will return to MotoGP to replace Maverick Viñales at the Czech Republic Grand Prix, scheduled for July 18th to 20th, 2025. Viñales suffered a shoulder injury after a crash during qualifying at the German MotoGP and is undergoing surgery and rehabilitation in Italy. He is expected to make his comeback at the Austrian Grand Prix in August. This will be Espargaró's first appearance of the 2025 season. He expressed support for Viñales and is determined to do his best and contribute to the team at the Brno Circuit.